Hey YouTube, Vermont Prepper here. Exciting day in the household as I just got in my medical preps from doomandbloom.net. And I just want to say first off that I have absolutely zero connection to this site. I paid for everything. I was just so impressed with the workmanship that I wanted to do a video of it and tell you why I selected them, as well as go through these unbelievably cool kits. First thing I'm going to do is go through the actual things that I got. I'll go over their prices, and then what I'll do is I'll go through each of them as far as what's involved. All right, first thing we're looking at here is an educational DVD super package that was $59. This is a belt gunshot kit that was $155. I actually got two of them. This right here is a regular gunshot kit, a little bit bigger. Wound kit, $199. That is your grab and go trauma bag. That's $119, and I got two of those. And I did get two of the gunshot kits as well. This is your survival trauma carry kit, and that was $219, and I got one of them. They come in a tri-fold bag. This right here is your multi-person trauma kit. That was $339. Same bag as the other one, but just a little bit more for a number of people. And this is the Mac Daddy right here. This is the Stomp Supreme Trauma Survival Bag. That was $829. And that has just about everything and its brother under the sun. And I also got dental kits. So these are two dental kits that I got, $199 each, and it comes with Where There Is No Dentist book. Then this kit came with Survival Medicine Handbook, which is on Amazon as well, and some instructional tutorials for bleeding control. All right, so let's go through each here. We'll go through the dental kit first. This has a number of extractors in them, and you can see it's packaged in a bag. I'm not going to really go in and take them out, but extractors. You see some cotton balls. They say dental elevator, whatever that is. Medical dental pick scraper. Mirror, hemostat, dental rolls, dental pellets, whatever that is, pill cups, depressors, hand sanitizer, etc. The belt gunshot kit, this weighs less than a pound. And again, this has a Cat 7 tourniquet in it. It has Celox rapid hemostatic gauze, compression bandage, shears, gloves, emergency blanket, marker. And I actually exchanged the Celox to upgrade to Quick Clot. That was an extra $15. And I got two of these because I think, you know, I see a need for two of them if you have more than one person with you, training, or, you know, in a prepping situation, you're on a supply run, whatever, you might need two of them because if you have two people. Same with the gunshot wound kit. This is for gunshots, stabs, major traumatic, and this is a little bit bigger of a version. It has shears, as does the other one, has shears. It also has high-fin chest seals, a twin two-pack, decompression needle, they call it Kelly clamp, scalpels, surgical face masks. So an upgraded version of this, a little bit bigger, but again, all professionally done and packaged just absolutely beautifully. And by the way, these are all Voodoo Tactical bags. So I guess they have an agreement with Voodoo Tactical to make their bags, but they are just top-notch bags. Okay, grab and go trauma kit. So this covers most injuries that occurred sort of daily activity. So an upgraded a high-tech first aid kit. It also comes with Israeli bandage and a SWAT tourniquet, which is used for, you know, maybe people with, you know, thin limbs or kind of frail. You don't want to like break their arm while you're putting on a Cat 7, so you use a SWAT tourniquet. Okay. This one right here is your survival trauma portable carry kit. And, you know, it's loaded with first aid stuff, Israeli bandage, C-locks, you know, again, a soft T, tourniquet, sutures, gloves, splints, scalpels. I mean, just like tons of stuff. And you can go to their site and see what's on there. But this is, you know, for trauma mostly. All right. This is a multi-person trauma kit for bleeding wounds, and it's designed to give, you know, the ability to stop even arterial bleeding. And it includes multiple tourniquets, blood clotting, Z-fold dressings, compressed gauze bandages, pressure dressings, vented chest seals, and things that are more useful to stop hemorrhaging. And you see it comes in a triple kind of fold-out bag that's connected, 3 bags connected together, and it kind of drops out. Really cool, again, by Voodoo Tactical. So I really like that one. I'll probably keep that one in my truck. And then the last one, this, I mean, you can't even go through everything. It'll take hours to do it. And by the way, the Doom and Bloom is run by a husband-wife team, Joe Alton and Amy Alton. And Joe is an MD and Amy is a nurse. So they really know what they're doing. I researched tons of different sites and landed on them. I thought they do a really good job. They sent a nice thank you note. But this one really, this trauma, the Supreme one, this was on CNN. I didn't see the clip, but it was on there, and probably could search it and look for it. But this has just about everything. I mean, you know, it comes with two compartments here, and you can see it's unbelievable. You know, glow sticks. I mean, gauze, every kind of gauze that you possibly need. You know, any kind of suture or hemostats, whatever you can think of is in this thing. And, you know, it even has dental kit as well on here. Every kind of scissor you can think of. I mean, but I'm not going to go through all of it. Again, you can look at the site. But one of the things that I talk about, why I really picked this site as well, is you can use your flexible spending account or your HSA, your health savings account, and buy the equipment. So if you have some money accumulated in there, you don't have to put it on a credit card. You can just put it through on that if you don't have any major medical bills, of course, or you don't think you're going to need your HSA money. That's what I did. I actually called them and they said, yeah, we cover first aid kits. So you can buy as much as you want. You just keep the receipts in case you get audited. And you just supply the receipts saying, hey, you just paid for first aid kits. So this covers most of my preps that I think I'm ever going to need for medical. I do have some medicine as well that I keep in other bags, but in some other medical preps, but nothing near to this extent. And I gotta say, man, this is just unbelievable, very exciting, and I hope you got a good idea on what's involved in these kits. I know I couldn't really take them apart because it would be a 2-hour video. I just wanted to do this as an overview. So I hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up. I appreciate comments, what you think. I know somebody's going to say, well, you spent a lot more than you should, but I'm looking at the expertise. I'm not an expert. I mean, you don't try and diagnose yourself when you're sick, right? So why not have a medical professional put together these kits? And you probably could do it cheaper if you looked on a website and you researched it and you go through all of the Amazon products or whatever and get them. But I just thought the time I'm going to save, plus how they're packed just unbelievably professional. I thought it was well worth it. So hope you like it. And Vermont Prepper out. And feel free to subscribe if you like. And as always, be prepared. Take care.